YouTube channel. Today I'm making a Czech beef goulash. I'm gonna serve it with mashed potatoes, but you can serve it with dumplings or boiled potatoes, noodles, rice, however you like it. So we're gonna have a pound of beef. We have some paprika. I have about a teaspoon and a half, and about a teaspoon of ground caraway seeds, teaspoon and a half of sugar, oil for the onion to fry up. We have garlic, onion, tomato paste. We're going to use just about 2 ounces maybe, salt, pepper, and at the end some marjoram to sprinkle on top, and 1 onion. And then we're going to need about 4 cups of water or so. I like to cut my meat up really small, but you don't have to. You can just leave it the way it is already cut up. I just think it makes like the gravy out of the goulash a little bit more thicker and flavorful, so it's up to you. And at this point I turn off the heat because I'm going to add some paprika, and we don't want the paprika to burn. So here I'm just whisking up some flour and water to make the sauce thicker. After you add the flour, you just want to keep mixing it, keep stirring it up. Make sure you don't have any clumps of flour in there, and just keep stirring it for about 20 minutes or so it doesn't stick to the bottom. You want to cook off that flour. Then you're going to add a little bit of marjoram, gives it a little bit of flavor. And there you have it, that's about it. We're gonna serve it with either dumplings, I will post a video on that soon, or mashed potatoes, which is what I'm gonna serve it with, or you can serve it with rice. It's really good with rice. I hope you enjoyed my video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, give me a comment, let me know what you think if you tried it. Thanks for watching. Have a good evening.